To change your alarm background image on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Clock app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting. Under alarm section, tap alarm background, tap background, and then select the desired image you like to set as your alarm background. As the example, we will select an image under feature section. Tap done button to save your selection. By doing this, all your alarms will use the selected background image, except those you have set to different background image individually. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.